Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog, and today we have ourselves an installment video, and it's brought to you by another sponsor. So yeah, we picked up another sponsor, guys, and this time we are going to be doing some work lights made by Nilight. I chose these because I kind of don't want to ruin the surprise. Let's go ahead and unbox these, and I'll show you exactly why I chose them, because it's pretty cool. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into our box. Bam. Excellent. We got this. And Nilight, I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for reaching out to me and getting the ball rolling with this email that you sent me. So let's see. Need help? Oh, if you have any issues with the product or need technical support, the Nilight team is always there to help and make sure you're 100% satisfied. Contact us with the QR code. And basically this company sells light bars and work lights and everything you could possibly need. So here's what's in the box, guys. Whew. So I had purchased a full installment kit. So let me grab everything out. All of the fittings, all of the wires, and a switch, and a box. Bam. Alright, so here we are, guys. All together, we have 5 bags, and 2 of the bags are going to contain our lights. So this right here is what I purchased. Oh yeah, nice. So this right here is a box light, and I chose these ones specifically because, wait, another. So I chose these lights specifically because they are on a magnetic base. You could attach them to a magnetic base. And I've told you guys multiple times before that I am a huge fan of magnets. So here's the magnet bases. And those are these are nice and strong magnets. So it's a nice, safe rubber material, and as you can see, those little beads around the edge right there, like, that's the magnet, okay? So, oh, that's a nice thunk. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm having trouble getting them apart. Dude, that's awesome. That's how you know that they're strong magnets. Okay, gotta do a little pry action here. Oh man, dude, yeah, these things are gonna stick to whatever you have metal. So honestly, and look, bam, 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 bang, bang, safe, soft plastic. I can't tell you enough how soft these are. I'm excited to try these out and get them on the element. So, oh, perfect, and it comes with your little nuts and everything. Nice. Alright, so there's that. There's this. Bam, move the magnets over here so they don't mess with anything. Let's see, these are attachment nuts and bolts with plates to slide so you could adjust. Okay, excellent. And then this right here is the whole wiring setup. So it tells you on their website like how to wire it all up. And oh, perfect. It even comes right in here with their fuses with the wiring diagram. This is, dude, love it. Love it. They're making it so easy for you to really install this. Like, yeah. So here is literally the whole wiring diagram. I mean, that's super, super straightforward. I don't think you can mess this up. So let's go ahead and start wiring all this up, man. I'm really excited to be working with Nilight because I have been wanting some like work off-road lights, and I was like interested when I first saw the magnet ones, because that means I could kind of attach these wherever I want. If I want like one in the back and one in the front, like to give me some light when I'm washing dishes, I could do that. I could wire it up like that. So with that being said, let's get this all wired up, man. Alright, so I took the liberty of going ahead and putting one light already on the base, and I will show you guys the setup of how I did it. So for the first things first, you take the base plate and then you go ahead, take this bolt, and then bam, add a washer, and then you will just throw it on the back right here, and then that goes ahead and threads into the nut that's right back there. And then for the next step, I went ahead and put this right through there, along with a washer and a crush washer, and I just screwed it right into there. And then that is your first base plate, and then you just go ahead and attach that right to there, and you get this, and it's ready to be mounted onto your car. Alright guys, so red is positive, black is negative. That's how it normally goes with every wiring situation, and I have already clamped on the terminals right here for this one, and now we just need to do the same for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and clamp those on, and then we will be able to get it all wired up. So I got the wires all nice and loomed up, and now we just need to connect the positive and the negative to the terminals, and through that we'll just feed the switch through the firewall, and we'll find somewhere to put that, and these lights should be all good to go. I'm gonna connect them to the terminal, make sure that they actually light up, and then we will get ready with placing wherever I want to hide the wires. Alright guys, and just like that, we got them wired up. Now let's hit the switch and see if they go on. Oh baby, dude, it's daytime and these things are bright, dude. Oh my god. Okay, I can't wait to try these things at night. So I think right now I am gonna get these all situated. Once I get the wiring all sorted out to where I want it, I will show you guys how I have them set up. And yeah, so I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so the new lights are on, and honestly with these magnetic grips, they really don't feel like they are going anywhere. Nice kerchonk. Heck yeah, dude. I'm gonna drive around with them for a little bit today, just to make sure that they're not gonna go anywhere. But I mean, they feel freaking firm on there. So I am gonna go ahead, drive around, and wait for nighttime, and we will do a night light review. As you can see, we are in complete darkness right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip my switch. Bam, dude, look at that. Look at all that light. That is crazy. Nilight's light pods right here put in work. Alright, so here is just my regular headlights, which these are brand new lights, and I mean, like, it doesn't really look too bright right now, but just wait with the combo of both of them. They are flooded, and I'm pretty sure I could tilt them up a little bit more. I have them kind of tilted down so they're looking at the ground, and that's the best part. They're like adjustable, so you can move these things wherever you want to. And since I've been driving around all day with these on, with the magnets on, because remember, they're magnetized, they have been doing an amazing job of hanging on. They haven't moved. Let's get out of the car, check them out real quick. And Oh my god. Dude, the Element looks freaking wild, dude. Like, bro, what is this? What is this car becoming? This is so sick. And because it's magnetized, you could kind of, just twist it over here, wherever you need it to go. Man, this is awesome. Super easy install. So you don't really have to worry too much. I'm honestly thinking about getting a light bar for up here now. I feel like a light bar with these, that'd be a pretty good combo. And yeah, dude, what sick lights. Like little 3-inch little light pods up off the side. That's so cool, man. I will definitely be leaving a link for these down in the description, and hopefully they give me a discount code for you guys. So if you want to go buy something from them, you'll be able to use a discount code from me. But yeah, guys. And so with all of that, we are back in the Element. It is nighttime, and I just wanted to give you a little breakdown of basically what Nilight supplied me with. So I busted out their little pamphlet here and allow me to show you. So as you can see, they're classic style lights along with wiring harness kits and mounting brackets. I was supplied all 3 of these. I was given a kit with the whole wiring harness, and along with these right here, which are the magnetic mounts, and these lights right here. So as you can see, they have plenty of options. You could go full bar, circle lights, hard mount, and then even their wiring options as well. Like I just have a little switch right here, but you could go full on install, like all the options you could want. And then, I mean, even here with how you want to mount, you have a lot of options. So most definitely, if you want to go check them out, the link will be in the description down below once again. If you're looking for some off-roading lights, I would check them out, man. I'm enjoying mine so far, and I've only had them for about a day, and just messing around with them is freaking awesome. So I will definitely give you guys a future update. I would say maybe about in a month I'll come back and let you know how I'm feeling about it. But as of right now, I'm pretty freaking happy, guys. And with all that being said, we're going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely go check out Nilight, guys. Since you want to support the companies that are supporting your YouTuber, go hit them up. Alright, guys, have a good night.